Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are listening to me and watching this video from. Now, welcome to this e-commerce World Expo presentation. And permit me as a way of introduction to remind us that the first step to wealth creation is in identifying a problem that needs a solution and creating a system around that solution. Identifying a problem that needs a solution and create a system around that solution, because a wise man once said that problem solvers are in short supply in the world. And if you ask me, how do I know? I will tell you, one thing is you know that there is a problem. The other thing is knowing how to solve that problem. We all know there is a problem in the online selling industry. We all know that people no longer trust online vendors. We all know that people no longer trust online buyers. So there is a problem in the industry. This has compelled us to embark on a journey to providing or creating 1 million millionaire families by 2025. If you ask me, how do I know? How do I intend to achieve this? Is we want to show you a problem to solve in the industry and also show you how to solve that problem. Because the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step. And the first step is we have understood a problem in the society, and the next step is we are solving that problem. So sit back and make money while we show you how to solve the problem and how to make money from solving the problem. Now, first step is this. Over 2.6 billion people shop online worldwide. Let me bring you down to Nigeria. The digital buyers in Nigeria in 2020 alone, the number of online shoppers in Nigeria was about 76.7 million. Nigerian total population amounts to 206 million. And as I talk to you, 46% of these people shop online. Now, 3% of people go to the internet. People looking for educational information, looking for entertainment information, looking for financial information. Which are you? Which one are you? A total of 89% of Nigerians are potential online shoppers. Now, all these are ways to make money. People go online. Over 46% of the world population now are called netizens because they practically live on the internet every day of their life. These are problems to solve. So we have brought this down to giving you the most powerful digital innovation ever created, called Pmall. What is Pmall about? What is Pmall? Who are we? Who are we? A wise man once said something that making money is easy if you know what to do and how to do what you know how to do. What is Pmall? Pmall is a multi-vendor e-commerce marketplace that provides an organized selling and logistics service between product vendors and online shoppers through digital innovations and technology. Pmall is divided into three segments: the e-commerce segment, the affiliate network, and the associate network. What exactly can I do on Pmall? As I talk to you, there is no limit to what you can achieve on Pmall. As long as you're selling health and wellness products, as long as you have a smartphone. Pmall is open for three sets of persons. 1, people who want to sell. 2, people who want to promote. 3, people who want to buy. So whichever category you fall in, Pmall is open for you. Now, what are we here to do? What can I do on Pmall? What is Pmall all about? Pmall is here to organize the disorganized shopping system. There have been a lot of distrust online. People don't trust online buyers. People don't trust online shoppers. Pmall is here to solve that problem. Pmall is here to connect customers to millions of health and utility products based on quality check. So if you have a smartphone, this is the right time to make money online as an affiliate marketer. All you just do is simple: promote Pmall on your social media platform. You are good to go. Whatever happens, you're making money. I'm going to break it down for you in short no time. Now, to build a unified marketing system where customers have the right choice of product, you are not stressing yourself. You have the right to choose, okay, this product is what I want, this product is what I want, based on quality check, based on how far these persons have been making successful sales. Pmall is here to give digital entrepreneurs opportunity to build financial income streams through promoting this organized system. Now get it straight. Pmall does not have a product. We are not a product selling company. Pmall leverages on all the product selling companies. So if you are in GNLD, Greenwood, whatever the name is, Emery, Pmall is here for you. Come and sell your product. Number two, if you have a smartphone, you can sell all these products online without even hawking, just on your social media platform. You can make good money online. Now, for a better and faster way to shop without stress of complexity, Pmall is only focused for now on health and wellness products. Talk about Pmall as an intermediary between MLM product sellers. Talk about Pmall as an intermediary between MLM companies, brand product owners, and the over 40% of the netizens who are looking for quality health and wellness products to buy every day. Health is wealth. People spend good money looking for healthy products to buy. So affordable product. Pmall is based on swift delivery system. Pmall is also based on passive income streams. So talk about Pmall as a place where you can buy, where you can sell, and where you can make money. So you can make money promoting the site to other persons to buy. Now, Pmall is built to enriching the affiliate. Gone are those days when companies build their system to enrich themselves. No, Pmall is built to enrich the affiliate. So all you do is advertise Pmall on your social media platforms. When people click on your link and visit the site to make purchase, you are making money. So I'm going to breaking it down. Now, the three segments of Pmall is one, the e-commerce part of it. Two, what is the e-commerce part of it? Is a marketplace driven by quality, affordable, and swift delivery system. A marketplace that connects multiple vendors to their target audience. A marketplace that sells only health and wellness products first. A marketplace that offers a level playing ground to all product and vendors to reach a wider audience through quality and customer experience. So if you trust your brand, if you trust your product, Pmall is the best place to sell. So you as an affiliate, all you do is come here, advertise the product. You are not choosing any product. You can decide. You're not hawking a product. Just copy the Pmall link, post it on your social media platform. Whoever clicks on the link to visit Pmall buying anything online, you are getting paid. So Pmall is using the most three powerful marketing strategy, which is the traditional marketing, the digital marketing, and the affiliate marketing. Pmall is focusing more on the affiliate marketing side, which is offering people opportunity to make money for having a smartphone. So you are standing as an intermediary between the product sellers and the customers who want to buy health and wellness products. So the next one is an affiliate marketing system, a digital selling system that offers commission to affiliate on every successful transaction done on the Pmall side. We are using the strategy called give me my share. So when you drive traffic to the website and they buy anything, automatically you are getting paid because it is a customized link that they click to enter the platform to buy anything. So you are standing as an intermediary between customers and the site, which is Pmall. The next one is what you can do from your affiliate link is anybody who visit Pmall to buy a product, you get paid commission. Anybody who visit Pmall to sell their product, you get paid commission. Anybody who visit Pmall to become an affiliate, you get commission. But this is only for the associate network. The associate network is a simple strategy, a royalty income streams that pays people commission. that pays its members commission on every direct and indirect transaction. So as an affiliate, you only earn from the sales you make, but as an associate, you earn from the sales you make. You also earn from other people's sales they make. You will also earn when a vendor comes to sell, you will make money. When somebody comes to become a stockist, you will make money. That is the difference between an affiliate and an associate. Now, Pmall offers a flexible earning system. Pmall offers career upgrade whereby you can learn any digital skill online on the Pmall platform if you become an affiliate with Pmall. Pmall offers 100% passive income, which is the associate network. You don't need to be there. Pmall also offers the PMT token, which allows you to transfer your token to anywhere, maybe to your bank, to your crypto wallet, and whatever you want to do. Pmall offers you that. Now, the difference between an affiliate and an associate, I've talked about it. As an affiliate, you only earn from your sales. As an associate, you earn from everything done on the site. So as an associate, you have 11 ways of earning on the Pmall site. 11 ways talks about direct selling. On the direct selling aspect, Pmall is paying you indirect selling, sales bonus, indirect sales bonus, car bonus, travel bonus, PMT leadership, iCard bonus, vendor bonus, stockist bonus, global pool. So I'm going to be talking about it now. The direct and indirect selling commission. When you become a member with the Pmall affiliate, from the day you refer somebody to join the Pmall system as an affiliate too, Pmall start paying you money as an associate. So 30% of that person's money will be paid to you as an associate. So the day that person refers somebody else again, Pmall will pay you 10% of it. So when you make sales on your own, Pmall pays you 40% of the sales commission. When the person you refer makes sales, Pmall pays you 10% on your first level, pays you 5% on your second level, pays you 2%, 1.5%, 1.5% till your fifth generation dip. Indirect sales commission pays to you at every level. So the next one is the influencers shopping card. Now, influencers club, this category is open for associate members who are able to duplicate and nurture a team to the influencers club level. Now, what are the benefits attached to it? You are earning 30% commission on any of them that comes on board. You are earning travel incentive, 45% sales commission. You are also earning 2% monthly team bonus. So if your team makes 5 million at the end of every month, you are earning 2% from it. Stress-free, free money. iClub shopping card. Pmall gives you is like the American Express card. You can use it to shop anywhere. Pmall also gives you a DIA nomination, which is the Digital Influencers Award nomination, which is Africa. Yearly pool comes to you, car incentive, and you become a PMT merchant where people can also shop crypto coins from you. Now, the first level of the ranking on the leadership rank is influencers. When you become an influencer, it means you have earned 40,000 team points. Pmall pays you 2 million naira for that and also give you the influencers shopping card, which is the iCard. The next one is the manager leadership rank. With 10,000 team points, Pmall pays you 4 million naira. The next one is elite manager. With your 30,000 team points, Pmall pays you 4 million naira cash and also 2 million naira trip fund to go and for a vacation. Now, the next one is the director leadership rank. Pmall pays you 60,000. When you accumulate 60,000 team points, Pmall pays you 10 million naira and a brand new car worth about 8 million naira. The next one is the ambassadorship leadership rank, which is 120,000 team points. Pmall pays you 20 million naira and 5 million humanitarian fund for a community project in your community or your society. Now, other incentive, utility, and yearly bonus is coming. Now, how do you get started? Let me show you the future with Pmall. Now, like I said, there are instant registration fee for each of these. When you come on board and become an affiliate with Pmall, the day you refer anybody, Pmall makes you an associate automatically. which is when you refer any affiliate, Pmall pays you 30% of that affiliate registration fee. When you refer a vendor to come and sell on Pmall, Pmall pays you 20% of that registration fee. When you refer a stockist to become a pickup center agent, Pmall pays you 15%. Well, how does it work? 8,000 naira is the registration fee for affiliate. Pmall pays you 30% of 8,000 naira. 15,000 naira is the registration fee for vendor. Pmall pays you 20%. 500,000 naira is the registration fee for stockist. Pmall pays you 15%. All these are beautiful ways you can earn money on the Pmall platform. I didn't intend to make this video long, so you have any question, please fall back to the person that sent you this video and get started as fast as possible. Now, what do you do? How do you promote Pmall? It is very simple. When you become a member, you log on to the site. There are different promotional material. All you just do is to copy the material, post it on your social media platform. Whoever clicks on it and visits your site, when the person visit and shop for product, Pmall is paying you. When the person visit and become a vendor to sell their product, Pmall is paying you. When the person visit and become a stockist, Pmall is paying you. When the person visit and become an associate or an affiliate like you, Pmall is paying you. So Pmall is a beautiful platform. If you have a smartphone and you've been longing to make money from the comfort of your home, this is the best platform for you. So thank you very much. Go back to the person that sent this video to you. I love you guys.